Hello, Maurits here. This is about a particular question in this book. It's 4U1F, and there they ask us to use implicit differentiation to find the derivative of 2x squared equals to x plus y over x minus y, and our goal is to find y prime equals something, if possible. And we can go about to do this in several ways. The two ways I will show first is neither of these ways what I would do, but since they ask for implicit differentiation, that is what we will do. First here, as I say in lessons, denominators are an abomination. So I want to get rid of this thing here. So I will multiply that up and write this as 2x squared x minus y equals to x plus y. And then we take the derivative of this with respect to x. So the derivative of this with respect to x, and the first thing we did there was multiply by x minus y. Okay, here we use the product rule, right? So that before x, keep the x minus y, plus keep the 2x squared times the derivative of this, which will be 1 minus y prime, remembering now that y is a function of x, equals to 1 plus y prime. Let us expand this. So 4x squared, right, minus 4xy plus 2x squared minus 2x squared y prime equals to 1 plus y prime, right? We can combine this 4 and 2, so we have 6x squared minus 4xy plus, let's do like this, we subtract the 1 from this side, right, so minus 1 on this side, and then we add this to that side, so you get 2x squared y prime plus y prime, right? So 6x squared minus 4xy minus 1 equals 2. Here we can factorize out the y prime, so y prime 2x squared plus 1, and that will give us y prime equals to 6x squared minus 4xy minus 1 over 2x squared plus 1, and we have an expression for the derivative. Okay, let's try another way here. We do this now directly without first multiplying this up. So we use the product rule, right? So 2x squared equals to x plus y over x minus y, right? Where this is now u over v, and we'll use the fact that u over v prime equals to uv minus uv, derivatives on the outer ones, over v square. Okay, so now we take the derivative of all this. So the derivative of this will give us 4x, right, equals to the derivative of this, which is 1 plus y prime times x minus y minus x plus y times the derivative of this, which is 1 minus y prime over the square of this, which is x minus y squared. Next thing we need to do is make y prime our subject, and to do that we will multiply this up and then expand. So 4x x minus y squared equals 2. Now to expand this one, 1 times x, right? So that will be x minus y. So x, y, and then x, y prime, and minus y, y prime, and minus bracket. Now expand this one, x minus x, y prime, plus y minus y, y prime. Multiply in the minus into the bracket, so 4x x squared minus, no, sorry, x minus y squared equals x minus y plus x, y prime minus y, y prime minus x plus x, y prime minus y plus y, y prime, right? And we can see here that we can cancel the x there against the x, and the y, y prime against the y, y prime, and we can't do so much more, right? So this will give us 4x x minus y square equals to 2 of these, right? 2x y prime, and then minus 2y, right? We can start with then, do we have anything more now? So then we can add this to both sides. 4x x minus y square add that to both sides, I said, plus 2y equals to 2x y prime, and then we can divide by this, right? So 4x x minus y square plus 2y over 2x equals to y prime. We have a common factor of 2 we can get rid of, so that will finally give us y prime equals to 2x x minus y square plus y over x. Wait a minute, these two are not equal. And they cannot be equal. We can see that they are different denominators here. We cannot in any way, as far as I see, make them equal. And can just check if x is 0. This will be undefined, and if x is 0 here, this works very nicely, but that will be minus 1 over 1, so that would be negative 1. So they are not the same. So what's the problem here? To start with, we can see that I would not take the derivative of this implicitly. I would make y my subject in that one. So let us look at the equation again. We have 2x squared equals to x plus y over x minus y, right? We started multiplying this up here, so 2x squared x minus y equals to x plus y. Expand 2x squared, 2x cubed, right? Minus 2x squared y. 2x cubed minus 2xy equals to x plus y. Subtract x over there, add this over there, so 2x cubed minus x equals to 2x square y plus y. Here we can make y our subject. Now we can factorize out y to make it a subject. So y times 2x squared plus 1, and then we divide with that to give us 2x cubed minus x over 2x squared plus 1 equals to y. And this we can take the derivative of directly, and I leave that for you to do. We will look at this in a future video and see what is going on here. So watch us for that one. Thank you.